Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope the video looks as tempting as it tasted. Today I am sharing an experimental noodles recipe. Based on the recipes I watched and the limited ingredients available with me, I tried to make Hakka noodles which actually turned out yummy. Let's begin. I had a packet of market bought Hakka noodles which was enough to serve 2 people. Then I had frozen corns, carrots, garlic, 1 egg, Maggi masala, soya sauce, chili sauce and tomato sauce. For the Hakka noodles, I chose Ching's Hakka noodle packet which was easy to cook. All you need is to boil water with little salt and oil. Once the water boils, take it off the flame and put the noodles in it. Cover it with lid and leave it for 5 to 6 minutes. After 5 to 6 minutes, drain off the water. The noodles will be soft and ready to use. Now in a pan, take 1 teaspoon of oil, break an egg, add salt as per taste, add little black pepper powder and scramble the eggs. Keep it aside for later use. In the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once hot, add sliced garlic and chopped carrots and saute for 2 minutes on high flame. Then add the frozen corn and saute for another 2 minutes. Add 1 packet of Maggi masala, one teaspoon of black pepper powder, add the cooked noodles and mix well. Add 1 spoon of soya sauce, and 1 spoon of chili sauce. Mix everything well. Then add 1 spoon of ketchup and the scrambled eggs. Mix everything on medium to high flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Your easy and quick homemade noodles are ready. Let me know in comments how many of you call noodles as chow mein. Hope you will try this recipe and share your feedbacks in the comments. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and stay happy.